So this unboxing, these are picture books that are available starting July 14th, 2020. They are by Candlewick Press and distributed by Penguin Random House. Okay, let's get started. The first one is Choo-Choo School by New York Times bestselling author Amy Krouse Rosenthal, illustrated by Mike Yamada. And this looks like it is a back to school, starting school, perhaps. And so it's, trains on their first day of Choo-Choo School. And they will be learning numbers. They have gym. Actually, I'm surprised they're calling it gym because our PE teacher was very specific in elementary school to say PE is called physical education because it just gives a different perspective to that class. It makes it, I think, like you just, sort of more of a class and less of like a recess. I don't know. He was very adamant that we do not call it gym. Anyway, Northeast maybe thing. So this is all about. It's almost like a Thomas the Train version of going to school or starting school for the first time. I mean, don't you think even actually it looks a little bit like Thomas the Train? Minus, copyright infringements. So, their school is kind of like the roundhouse, I guess. And they have a human teacher, not a anthropomorphic train, which is interesting. And learning about numbers. They're like traveling from class to class. They have a music class. They're learning about the alphabet. So this is definitely geared for kindergarten. Although I guess you can use it for preschool as well. The second one is Bunnies on the Bus by Phil Ardagh, illustrated by Ben Mantle. So this also, I'm guessing, because it's a school bus, might also be starting school. But let's see. I don't know if this is like song-based either. But it looks like it might be in rhyme. Is it? Yeah, I think it is in rhyme. Yep. So, but it's more about a bus ride. Animals taking a bus ride. Not specifically to school, I'm thinking. Personally, this also might be, is it transportation oriented? No, that one just sort of is the comic ending, I guess, set up for the next book. So I guess bunnies take over the bus and it's a little bit crazy, but not specifically for school. I take a lot of public transportation, but I have to say, I am not good at the bus. I don't really understand buses that well. Okay, and the third book, the last book, is Gustavo the Shy Ghost by Flavia Z. Drago. And this could be sort of a little bit early Halloween themed, but also with a secondary theme about being shy. So ghosts for October for Halloween, but also character driven about being a ghost who is also shy. So Gustavo is a ghost. And maybe he's trying to make friends. But they can't see him. Of course, he's a ghost. But also, maybe he disappears more if he's shy. But he wants to make friends with other monsters. So definitely a cute book for back to school fall. That also can be used, slide right into September and then right into October for Halloween. Looks like it would be a fan favorite. And yeah, it has a little bit of goth illustrations, you know, like it's almost like cartoony, friendly, happy goth. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, and this is almost has like almost like a Day of the Dead masks, you know, with this. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, yeah, she's actually born and raised in Mexico City. So, I don't know if this is specifically for Day of the Dead. I'll have to read it more carefully. But, yeah. Dia de los Muertos, is that what it is? So, it can be Halloween. It can be also Mexican themed and shy. Oh, yeah, it is. It's a Day of the Dead celebration. Oh, interesting. Great. Yeah, love it. So these 3 books, again, are available July 14th, 2020. And thank you to Candlewick Press for sending them to me.